looks like this. It does come with a full amount. Here's a black. Beautiful. So a silver cat eye gel and then a gold or this. They're actually available on my. And I think I want to change the layout. So you could like draw, dip it in. You can wait for about 5 seconds to be made. What I looked up, I didn't. You could just smooth it over it. Acrylic, polygel, whatever that. And I like that pattern, so. I like to squeeze in the edges. I like to file downwards. You just file off the excess. But yeah, that would be so pretty to recreate down. This is the top coat in the kit. Clear coat really brings out the decal color. Specifically on the parts where we'll put the push that in. If you don't know what it is, I suggest you look it up. Oh, it's already stuck. I like to have both of them in my hands so I can compare. In the nail decal, they go away as you build up the nail, and when you further put, like, you know, your gel top coat or any seal, see how it'll look like together like that.